All right. Good afternoon. This is my new and improved bird bath. I had this sitting around. I had this vase sitting around, and so I cleaned this all up and got it running again. Hooked up my new solar pump to it, and I put a bucket inside here as a reservoir for water, and so it has quite a bit of water, like maybe about 3/4 of a gallon, something like that, and so it'll recycle, so I don't have to worry about it running out of water too quick. But hopefully the birds are going to like it, because I have hummingbird feeders on either side of it. So hopefully it'll work, they'll come, they'll enjoy it, and it'll be great. Thank you. Bye-bye.